Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to do a full stack market research on your target audience using the website Reddit. I'm gonna go through this with plastic surgeons since that's the niche I'm mainly familiar with and the niche I'm mainly working with, but this can work for any business and any niche, no matter what, since everyone is on Reddit. How's it going, everyone? My name is Aaron. I am a digital marketer, primarily focusing on Facebook and Google Ads, certified on both. And if you're seeing this on LinkedIn, be sure to follow my page. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content around market research and digital marketing in general. So in this video, let's go into how you can find everything that your customer is completely asking for using Reddit. So like I said, I work with plastic surgeons. That's my main niche. So the first thing I'm going to do is search, like I already did here, plastic surgeon. So as you can see here, just by simply searching plastic surgeon, we can see that all the relevant posts that are related to plastic surgery. So the thing is, what you want to focus on is you want to focus on keywords that you see over and over again when you're looking at these Reddits. So the main thing I want to look for is the questions. So for example here, this one's talking about liposuction. It's not really a question, so we're not going to really look at that. Okay, so here is a question that is related to plastic surgery. And what you can do is you can use these questions to create content. And if you see that these questions are popular on Reddit, you can bet that people outside of Reddit also have these questions as well, especially when it relates to plastic surgery. So this is a common one with plastic surgery. What's your opinion on how to choose the right plastic surgeon? Obviously, they need to be board certified and have a clean legal record. Here's another question, where I could check if a plastic surgeon is board certified. And then sometimes you just see funny questions like this. So yeah, just go around and just, look through the Reddits and, see what people are posting. And then don't be afraid to, let's say, click onto one. So let's see when we can click onto one of the questions that we asked. So you want to click onto one, you want to see how people are answering it. But the thing is, if you see that, it's getting a lot of maybe upvotes, but there's not a lot of comments, then you know that it's a question that people have, but no one has the answer to. So you can go and make content about that and then run it as a Facebook or run it as a Google ad. If you don't know how to do it, just, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me and I can show you exactly how to do that. But let me go into more in detail about how to do more market research on Reddit. So specifically now I am on the subreddit for plastic surgery. So what subreddits are is pretty much just niche communities and groups that you can join into. And it's anyone can join. You don't have to have an account, but I do recommend making an account. But you can join and then, you can create a post, ask a question, you can see what other people are posting and all that. So how I like to do it is, you can see which posts are hot, new, the top, and rising. So if you want to look at the rising posts, you can see that posts that are gaining more popularity. These are posts that, are now like trending, they're getting important. So as a plastic surgeon, or if you're in any business, for example, you want to create content behind that rising post. So for example, it's what can I do to improve my face? So maybe have a blog post that says 5 steps to improving your face to look like a celebrity for the most part. Let's see what other things are there. And then you can talk to me about breast implant illness. Look, 114 votes. They want to know the exact surgeries these celebrities got to look like what they do now. And this one has 78 comments, so a lot of people have questions and opinions on what they got. So maybe you can go in there and you can have a lead magnet saying what did Bella Hadid, what kind of surgeries did she get in order for her to look like the way she did. And it's a popular thing. So you can keep going down through posts. And what you want to look for is key words that you see constantly over and over and over again, especially on the headline. So I see a lot of rhinoplasty. So rhinoplasty, see what I can do to improve my face. before and after with rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty, are you're seeing the you see weight loss surgery, but you're seeing that we're seeing tips in nostrils that's related to rhinoplasty. So as a plastic surgeon, what you would want to do is you want to create content behind getting a rhinoplasty. What is the procedure like? What it can do for you? What are the benefits of getting a surgery like this? You know that it's trending. You know that people are interested in this, especially since it's trending on Reddit. And one thing I did forget to mention is you want to make sure it has a good amount of members. So this one has 40,000 members, which is, a really good amount of people about plastic surgery. So another strategy that I like to do is just to click on top right here so you can see the top post, and then you can see the top posts of, this week, this month, this year, or all time. So let's just do all time, for example. I just want to shape my nose. This has 1.7 upvotes, 95 comments. So this is popular. So just want to shape my nose. So I can literally easily tell that rhinoplasty is in for plastic surgeries. Look at this, rhinoplasty, and then rhinoplasty. And this isn't a group about, rhinoplasty. This is a group about plastic surgery. They're not talking about any other surgeries. I don't see liposuction. This is face reconstruction for the most part, but I don't see like other surgeries as well. You're seeing some Botox. As you can see, Botox is very popular. Jaw surgery, a lot of face stuff. So yeah, but you want to pretty much see what are the key terms, what are the key phrases that you're seeing over and over and over again, and use that to your advantage. Use that as, a lead magnet for your Facebook ad. Being like, hey, do you need rhinoplasty? Feel free to book a consultation with us and we can show you the proper steps to do it. Create content about it to attract people. Okay. I think we all see the point here that rhinoplasty is, the most popular thing. But this can work for, again, if you're a plastic surgeon, you know what to do exactly now. But if you're a local business, like you're another service-based business, maybe you're a dentist, maybe you're a cosmetic dentist for the most part, you can just do the same exact thing to see like what type of jaw surgery that are they getting. So this is literally just one subreddit. So what you can do is go on this Reddit and go on this site, reddit.com/subreddits, and then you can search, you can search different keywords that are related to your industry and find even more subreddits about that. So for example, I typed in cosmetic surgery here. You can see that there's another subreddit that talks about cosmetic surgery. You can see there's 345 subscribers, so there's a lot of people in it. So you can go and check that out. This is just pretty much another plastic surgery subreddit, and as you can see here, you want to go through it and look through the different topics that they're talking about. So let's go into top here, and we want to see top of all time, because these are reoccurring things, reoccurring statements that we know are going to work. So never get cosmetic surgery for someone else. So of course, obviously, not all of these is going to relate to your business. Not all of these are going to help. So again, you just want to, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some searching, but yeah, this is what you want to keep doing for market research, especially if you're a plastic surgeon. But anything that's related to like the beauty niche in some way, that's because, people like to talk about their experiences. People like to ask questions on Reddit like this. And if you want answers to what exactly your customer wants, feel free just to go into this Reddit and create a post asking a question. So yeah, we can just create a post just to ask the question. So we can say the title of the question is what? So the surgery, since we know that's a popular keyword, we want to get more ideas so we can make more content, or we can tailor our ads to find people who want rhinoplasty, since that's a hot topic right now. Describe yourself in this post, being like, hello from, let's say, Arkansas. I don't know why. I don't live in Arkansas. Just say like, where your practice is located. You can ask a question saying like, I've been, not like, the animal, but you can use these questions to either A, help other people out, which is going to build your authority, and that's going to give you more credibility. And who knows, maybe one of these members is in a local nearby town, and and then you'll be able to help them because of it. So yeah, so definitely feel free to create a post to ask more questions, to get more content ideas, or to get more, or to, build your authority and actually help out the community as well, because Reddit definitely rewards that as well. It's going to give you good karma in the Reddit terms. So overall, just go onto Reddit, go onto a sub niche, and make sure you go on multiple sub niches. So just type in cosmetic surgery here, and then you can see, multiple different surgeries. You can look at, what are people talking about in terms of beauty, transgender, botched plastic surgery if you want to laugh. So you can tell them, what we don't do and stuff like that. And then make sure you go on these different subreddits and then see what they're posting about and see what they're talking about for all the different services that you offer, and make sure you pay attention to the most popular posts of all time, also this year, so you know what's trending this year, which is again rhinoplasty for plastic surgeons. This is how you can do full comprehensive market research using Reddit. Of course, you want to use other sites as well, like Google, and any tools that you have. And I talk a lot about market research in some of my other videos. So feel free to watch those. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and just leave me any comments if you found this to be helpful. So I'll see you guys in another video and another post I do.